What's happening, good people? What's happening, good people? It's day 2 of the disaster cycle. Yeah, our chicken today are turning 5 days. I'm here in my chicken house to actually check how they are doing. So it's a bit of struggle in this cycle. I'm humbled, like I said yesterday, guys. But yeah, what can I say? I'm here in my chicken house now to check what's going on. Ish. Hey, Inzi, man, this thing, guys. It is really, really, really sad. It's really, really bad. This guy didn't put this thing correctly. Right. So, yes, last night I sent my friends, the last 2 chicks that we picked up, I actually sent my friends to come and inspect the house and check them out for me. Yeah, I'm already seeing about 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my chicken house and this is what's happening. We see one over here that has lost its life. It's here, one. I hope you can see it. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we are seeing about 4 now that we lost today. So it's very, very bad. The situation in this house, it's bad. So it's 1, 2, 3 over there. Let me just try and grab that one. So it's bad, guys. The situation is bad, 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 bad. Oh, this one and this one over here. Yo! And these 2 over here as well. Three, 6, 7. Lost about 7 today. This is what we have found. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 chicks out today. So this takes our total mortality to 21. It's said it's over the how can I say it? It's over the yeah, I'm sad, guys. It's over the expected mortality rate of a broiler chicken or a poultry standard. So the poultry standard says that your chicken should at least have 5 mortality rate, but at this stage we have about 5%. So that's the the ways I'm so sad, guys. I don't even know what I'm saying, but what I'm saying is that the standard mortality rate in the poultry cycle or in a poultry farm is that you should at least have about you must at least have about 5% of your chicken in a cycle. You should at least have, you should at least lose 5% of your total number of chicks. At this rate, we're losing I think we're gonna lose half of this flock. Yeah, it's gonna be a disaster. I see a disaster coming on our way very, very, very fast. So it is sad. It's one of those sad moments that we're having. This is something that people don't normally share, but I'm gonna share it with you today. The bad side of poultry farming. Imagine already we have lost 21 chickens in 5 days. How bad it is. So this is our today's mortality. So far in the morning, this is what we have. The bad side of poultry that they didn't show is this one. The bad side of the poultry that they didn't show is this one over here. So this is the bad side of farming. All the good things that we normally show, this is the bad things that we don't show you guys. So yeah, this is what's happening now at Makwal Agri. We lost about 3, 6, 1, 7. In this morning, that's how many we have found. It is still very early in the morning, and we have found about 7 of our chicks that didn't make it. So I'm humble and I'm sad. Please, guys, hey, yeah, don't say Makola always showed us the good side of things. Today it's one of those bad things, and I'm gonna document this because I know that most people when they face this kind of issues, they don't share it with you. They just keep it quiet because maybe they're embarrassed. Maybe I don't know, man. But this is what I'm facing, and like I said, I don't hide whatever I do. I don't want to tell you that this thing is good. This is my first time experiencing such thing. The last actually is my second time, but the first time I experienced it, I think I lost how many did I lose? I forgot how many I lost, but it was in 2022, I think. That's when I had this kind of thing, and it was around December time. So that's why I normally tell people that to start a cycle around December time, it's very stressful because this is what you're gonna come out of your chicken house carrying in your hands. Ha, ha. Imagine this. Famine will stress you. Famine will stress you, it will humble you, it will make you understand that as Papa Diawan, it's not for kids, it's not for the weak, for the strong ones. It's for us, the strong ones. Ha, guys, please, guys, donate for me, guys. Ha, ha. I'm not gonna recover, guys. Yeah, guys, no, I'm gonna ask for your help this time, me. Guys, I'm not gonna recover. Please help me out, guys. But donation. One bag of feed. Yeah, yes, tatanyana. And the other one buys me a bag of grower, and then the other one buys me a bag of finisher. You know, contribute a little bit of whatever you have over there, guys. Yeah, and then we start another cycle. Come on, guys, I've been sharing for you for free. You don't wanna help me out when I need you the most. I know you guys are not loyal. Someone can just buy me a box of chicks, and the other one buys me another box of chicks, and the other one buys me another box of chicks, and the other one buys me a bag of starter. The other one buys me a bag of starter. Guys, we are 23,000 on this cycle. Even if you contribute R1 each of you, I have 23,000, and then I can start another cycle. Guys, no donation yana for your favorite farmer. You guys don't love me. I've given you content for free and you don't show appreciation. But it's fine, guys. It's what it is. It's Makwal Agri. Just came to my chicken house to show you the struggle that I'm facing right now. It's still very early in the morning, and I just received some bad news early in the morning, actually. But I'll share the story with you some other time, not now. Let me sort out whatever is happening, because what I'm facing here, it's nothing compared to what I just faced early in this morning. But anyway, guys, this is the morning routine. I'm not gonna be in my in my project for about a couple of days, but I'll ask my friends, the one who's gonna look after my chickens, to actually at least come and take care of my chickens. And then he will just update me what's going on. He will send me pictures of um, the mortality that he will be finding in my chicken house. You know CPT the farmer, right? He's the guy who will actually take care of this chickens. I'm leaving now. I'm going somewhere. I just having a family issue or emergency that I need to take care of. So I'm saying to you guys that um I'm 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 down. Like I'm facing a lot of bad things in my life now personally, which I don't feel like I should share with you because it's my personal issues, and what I share with you here on my YouTube, it's all about my business, what we do, what we're facing, you know. Some personal, I do go through a lot of personal stuff, but I don't normally share those personal stuff. It's because I believe they're personal for me. Because I don't normally show you guys my personal life. So even the issue that I'm facing now, even though it's so hard for me, but I can't share it because I never shared anything personally with you guys. But anyway, yeah, I'll update you what's happening during the day. CPT, the farmer will come around and then check what's happening. I will update, but I won't be here when I update. So for now, from Makwalagri, just like the video, so that we can at least make some coin here on YouTube. Since you guys don't want to support me, you don't want to buy me a big box of chicks, you don't want to buy me feed. So yeah, just keep on watching, just keep the ads. I know people don't have money, so when I'm saying that you guys want to help me, I understand people don't have money, so it's fine, guys. Sharp. Welcome back. Oh, sorry, my chickens. So guys, I've managed to deal with the issue that I actually had, the emergency that I had in the morning. So yeah, now in my chicken house, this guy doesn't know how to close this thing properly. To check if we still have more mortality from our baits. Um, remember that I told you in the morning that I'm going somewhere. So actually had a family emergency that I needed to attend. Let's help this one over here. It looks like it's stuck. Yeah, this one you won't make it tomorrow. So far, I think we've lost about 30 something, if not 40 chickens. So yeah, it's the stress that I'm having now. But anyway, we are back in the chicken house. It's now in the afternoon. So during the day, I got an update of about 3 chickens that we actually lost today. And remember, in the morning before I left, I found 7 that we lost. So that makes or takes our total number of mortality up to 10 for the day. So I'm here now, I'm back in my chicken house to check if we have any mortality, and I see one just next to the drinker over here, even though my drinker doesn't have yeah, here's another one. So it's 11 for today. I think we're gonna have another 11. Yesterday we had 11 mortality, even today it's 11 mortality, which makes it 22 mortality in 2 days. Wow, I'm speechless, guys. So yesterday we had 21 mortality overall, and then today we have 11, which takes us to 33. So we now so far have lost 33 chickens, almost half of 100. So half of a box is almost out. So this is an update for the day today. I don't really have much weight whenever I come to my chicken house these days because wow, it is really, really, really traumatizing to find so many chickens dying in high number. That's why I always say that farming is not for everyone. Farming is not for the weak. Farming is for those who are brave enough to put their money into something like this. Imagine spending around, I don't even say the figures that I've spent for this second. But yeah, the other day we went and buy feed for them, and now they're doing us like this. I was supposed to start another cycle next week, Friday. I think I'm gonna cut the cycle. I'm not gonna study it. I'm gonna sell those chicks, and I'll see it mid-December for January market, or I'll just see it next year. So this is gonna be probably the last cycle for this year. If not, it means the one that we're gonna do again, it's gonna be for next year market. So right now, let me just go and grab some water and refill our drinkers since they are out of water. So thanks for watching another video from Kwala Agri. This was another update of the disaster cycle that we're having. So it's not always glory. Sometimes things do go sideways. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what you have to do. Tango.